Hi friends, today we are going to see one weighty topic, that is area and volume, which is obligatory asked in all competitive exams and placements. Okay, we will go into the first question. In this, they are talking about circle and square. Before going to that question, we should initially know the formula of circle and square. The area of the circle is pi r square and the area of the square is a square, and the area of the circle is pi r square, in which the pi is 2 pi by 7, and the diameter of the circle is 42 centimeter, in which that what is meant by diameter, the whole length of the circle. Okay, it is divided by 2, hence we will get the radius of the circle, and we have to know the circumference of the circle, that which is nothing but the perimeter. For square it's perimeter, in the case of circle it's circumference. The circumference of the circle is 2 pi r and the perimeter of the square is 4a. Okay. First question, the total area of a circle and a square is equal to 2611 square centimeter. The diameter of the circle is 42 centimeter. What is the sum of the circumference of the circle and the perimeter of the square? Total, so summation circle and square, pi r square plus a square, here I wrote as x square. So therefore on summation we will be getting 2611, and the diameter is 42 by 2, hence it's 21. By substituting the value, pi I already told 22 by 7, and substituting the value of this radius, we will be getting this, and this is nothing but a, that is side, that we should find. From this, on taking all the value, after calculating this value, on taking all these values on this side, the plus will become minus, hence we will get 1225, and x square if goes to this side root, so therefore 35 centimeter. In this, see, finally what they asked, the circumference of the circle, hence the value of the circumference is 2 pi r plus 4a. On substituting the values, already we found the radius 21 and the value of a, that is x, I wrote no the side, that is 35, so the final value is 272 centimeter. We will move on to the second question. In the second question, the ratio between the three angles of a quadrilateral is 1:6:2 respectively. The value of the fourth angle of the quadrilateral is 45 degree. What is the difference between the value of the largest and the smallest angles of the quadrilateral? Okay, in this case they are given about quadrilateral. They are describing that three angles are given in the ratio, and the fourth angle is given as the value of angle, so it's 45 degree. If you take a quadrilateral, see, quadrilateral is an in shape, not as like square is derived from the quadrilateral type, so hence it has four sides but which is not same, so the angle may be differed, hence the one angle is 45 degree and others are given in the ratio of 1:6:2. Okay, we have to find that. And what finally they are given, what is the difference between the value of the largest and the smallest angle of the quadrilateral? Okay, we can put it as x, the unknown value, and hence 1x plus 6x plus 2x plus 45 degree is equal to the total angle, which is 360 degree, and from this we have to find. Okay, keeping this, first you subtract the 360 by 45 degree, hence you will be getting 360 minus 45 is 315, and 315 is equal to on adding this x you will be getting 9x. Keeping x in this side, 315 divided by 9, you will be getting 35. So hence the value of x is 35. So 35 degree plus 6 into 35 degree will give this answer of another angle. On adding this it should come what, 360. 35 plus 45 is 80. 80 plus 210 is 290. On adding 290 to 70 will give 360. So hence by adding this we can verify our answer. The value of x is 35. What is the difference between the value of the largest and the smallest angle? Here the largest angle is 6x and smallest angle is x. Hence 6x minus x is 5x. On multiplying 5 into the value of x, 5 into 35, we will be getting 175. Here we go. We will move on to the third question. What would be the cost of building a fence around a circular field with area equal to 32378.5 m cube if the price is for perimeter for building the fence was rupees 154. Okay, in this question a man is going to put fence for his building in which it is in the square form. So hence we have to find the perimeter of the building. Initially they are given that it is cost of circular field. So from this we can understand that circular means we have to calculate it as from this, like nothing but from this word we can understand it is in the circular form. Cost field ends, it is nothing but pi r square. The radius, we don't know the radius. To find it they are given the total value. See, on simplifying this we will be getting the square will become root. We found the radius. From this they are given perimeter. Actually from the word perimeter we thought that building would be surrounded with a square fence, but from this we have to calculate that it is not a square, it's perimeter, which is nothing but circumference. So it is circular in 2 pi r is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 101.5. On simplifying this, you will be getting the value as 638 meter. Okay, and they are given for a single meter of rupees 154. Hence you have to multiply with this. On multiplying with this 154, the total cost will be 9,000 98,252 rupees. Hence the answer is 98252. Let's move on to the fourth question. The height of a wall is 6 times its width and the length of the wall is 7 times its height. If the volume of the wall be 16128 cubic meter, its width, we have to take the height as 6 times of the wall's width. So x is width and then 6 times of the x is height and 7 times of the height is length. Volume is cubic meter, 16128 cubic meter. Therefore, on multiplying the three values by the formula LBH is equal to the volume is equal to LBH. From this multiplies x into 6x into 7x is equal to 16128. Okay, so therefore the result will be, see here, 7 6x. On multiplying all these things, see, keep x cube on one side, 16128 divided by 6 into 42. On simplifying all these things, you will be getting 64 x cube, hence x is equal to 4. From this we find the value of x, which is the width, and by multiplying this 4 into 6 we will get height, and multiplying this with the 42 we will get length. Hence from this is width is found.